Georgie! What are you staring at?
Up a bit. Up a bit. I don't take that much up because I've let down. Okay, usually, get that one usually takes a while to play. So we can just have different rounds and things.
Oh shit. Oh wow, small fish. That one, I like that one. Very fast start. Georgie.
He made a farting noise.
Farting noise?
Or he blew a raspberry at
From
me.
his mouth or?
No, he blew a raspberry at me. Thank you, Georgie.
Is he trying to copy you?
I have no idea.
He's quite good at speaking, isn't he?
Mm.
I want to see him do the Knighton Lodge thing. So, hello, Knighton Lodge. Oh wow.
What did you say?
He did a man's voice now. Hello, George. You're cool, aren't you? Hello, Georgie.
Georgie. He likes playing raspberry.
First time I've seen a parrot.
First time I've seen one that speaks regularly.
Should we go upstairs and then...
Georgie.